Hi guys, so now we're gonna go to explore Chinatown.
Yung bacteria. Hindi ang impact doon parang alcohol sa katawan. Ano ba sir?
Anyway, this is the... I have utang ka ka.
Bakit nilalaway mo?
Sorry, God. Get ready with the guys.
Virus yan. Tingnan mo din yung...
Hi guys! So we're now in Chinatown at gagawa kami ng food
Sakay na tapon.
vlog! Yes! Let's go guys! So first stop, saan tayo? Rita Fan. Jai! Yeah. Bakit? Tracy. So I found this Lingnam fried siopaw. So this will gonna be our first meal. Pan fried na ano, tas isang fried siopaw. Pan fried dumpling. Oo, pan fried. Yun ay kinay na fried noodles. Tapos tayo. Tapos dalawang Hong Kong style fried siopaw. Yes. So we're here guys at Lingnam fried siopaw. And try natin yung fried siopaw. And the pan fried dumplings. Ay, 1,000 peso challenge ba for ano? Hindi. Huwag mo, gusto ko kumain marami. Okay. Kulang ang 1,000. Wala akong ito yung bilhin mo. Ay, hindi pa rin nakabidyo. Sige na. Saan pa mama may kainan dito?
So yung itong mahabang to, marami tayong madadaan.
Sige, daanan natin na. Oh, ikaw ng taste test.
Tapos pagbukod na, tatamarin na. Ikot na.
Okay, wala tayong salt.
Ay, meron na to. Meron na to.
Tuyot daw. Ayoko, gusto ko franco. Ako din. Masarap. Kami sauce naman talaga. Masarap.
Hindi, okay na. Tama na tayo. Pahat ng lasa. Ah.
We're trying out the dumpling. Masarap siya. Wow, tikman mo na. Bakit? Mas ano ko, mas bet ko yung siopaw. The siopaw is 9 out of 10 and this dumpling is 8 out of 10. May masarap yung sauce. Maanghang siya. Masarap yung sauce. What? Joy! Ako na ito natira.
Bawal na traffic.
Ayun guys. Una, naano na namin yung fried siopaw ng Lingnam. Asan yung mga inihaw?
Dito, sinasabi sa pinto.
Yung mga dito sa Binondo, sa Chuan Key. At marami din nag-suggest sa amin. So, let's try! Jejo vlog. Jay, baka magaling. Hi vlog. Coba. Ilabas mo. Hi guys, so nandito kami sa Chuan Key at inatay namin yung order. The one of the oldest kainan daw dito sa Binondo. Square something. Video ng konti. Special coffee. And nakalimutan ko ano to. Pancit bihon, fried meatballs, and maki kampong rice with tenderloin. Yeah. Paglabas natin, gutom ulit tayo. Ano ama? Okay ba? Ano ba? Okay ba? Diba? Okay ba? So far guys, masarap yung food dito and very affordable siya. Na bihon, lalo yung soup, kamto soup yata yun. Very nice. Actually, hindi pa ako nakakatikim ng pho, pero para siyang pho. All in all, the food is 9 out of 10. Lalo na kung fan ka ng mga Chinese food. Very affordable.
I used to tell myself that I don't need nobody else, just me. She just came to the party in the high tops and those jeans. Could've sworn that I was sober, but the way you looked at me, never been so lifted, got me thinking, fuck this party, I want memories. Ooh, we could be free.
So we're currently here at the Beatin Grocery para bumili namin ang pasalubong.
Our memories. fast even when it's slow. We just gotta live before we let it go. You've been wanting that Chanel, picking up from rodeo, but baby, you already glow. When we're older, things won't always be the same, and I might not be the one, but can